Enti ya no na meka kira wo se Bank of Ghana ye go do aba omi aboa no one kufa do boa no o master te tonton. I say over 50% the o ton ama nasa ama o abeka half. Na eno Bank of Ghana Governor Johnson Siam obe kire mu die nti a oton ye. No kire mu kura no uko media ne so a Ghana for the bofu te hwe ehe ne ha. Edeba de na ekoso Ghana ha no mo sa no. Omo abe clash with Mahama any Bank of Ghana Governor. Be man kire mu no akire wa adwan ma me. E wo comment section. I Penyah blog media. Me so say need mu. Obe like video no that my bonus subscribe button number click notification latest update and be kire wa adwan de ma me. E wo comment section so ba so a. Na je for so enya bia hwe. Et we catch now enro say yete see May 2023 mu ana Kuford anybody me omu transit don see there be how a world economy esi eye no ene said the name be esi koso no say yamfa ye ho adwene adaache Ghana ye bebre enchirima eho be chiri omu edire said ye esi ye go to gold and ya koton ye tu ya ne adi amanasa no ye nya abotre na yammoa bia no ewom se wa ho chire mu but yammoa bia no badwemba bia nya sika oboa bia no no matter ho kire ba wo so wa wo hwemi woni mu se ye wo sika bo no mu a ho kire wo se dai unyi o fa say dey ho kire you know how to survive but sika bo no at the bank onko ho yes mokura mo je bo market to ye no unya sese ka se month medi sika sei esa eya wo try ya se obuma bo so me fro be sa aso eya de wa save no be so bekom sabi ana ba omi an egu trans okay ne Ghana every year ba ha be kwa we him tie start en save ye gold ni bi nyesa ye tu ya na kuma mo fro de emwa ye mo bi ho ban e wo Ghana ha eti May 2023 no say omo save gold eti that time as no be start save na Ghana ye wo 8 tons of gold per enegu na ko Bank of Ghana ko gold reserve na ye just 8 tons but from May 2023 to December 2024 na say o check here 1 year 7 months interval no they were able to save 30.53 tons 30.53 tons na say we calculation na o add almost 22 tons of gold within 1 year 7 months na say we nyina yesika egu ho no a de hia da Ghana kwa ho hia obetimi aton edibi abo man konko Ghana ho bra ema e to ba December no 2024 no MPP elusi omu kofie ema Mahama na ndi betena kunya o mba ye no na omu emfa bi nkan o just den go kan nketen into the whole of 2025 the year 2025 go through October no na almost went to add 7 tons anaka ho na so musu 1 year no omu add 7 tons anaka ho but interestingly yet see December ni mo no also omu add 7 tons ema e go through 38 tons but yet see December mu not 38 tons na Ghana for nim say we go 38 tons ena ho no no ya di mu fa ya ton mu fa ya ton emu fa ama moving from 38 tons ama abeka 18.6 tons ema be ehun se be dey say ene dey ba say na ekoso sa no enti ma ibuso enu achi no Bank of Ghana governor ebeka sai anu chirem say an de enti a oton da gold no ene say ordinary where Africa countries na twa Ghana ehun ahia na country be any ho a hold the gold reserve more than 25%. Country be any ho omu holdings between 20 and 25%. But Ghana kwa ni holding more. It's na hu me ya say ni obeton bi. No dey ko wura forex market one more. Dollar or currency market or ko wura forex market one more. Na say no akọ generating revenue bi afi ho aba. Dey o kire say dia gold na wakoton a converter by the dollar no or the forex market no ebe ma some kind of dividends every day be benya some fasuo bi nketen and na me comment ya say Bank of Ghana governor ka say amene ne nya adwene in a way say me hu ye say ye bobra say ye choose role model and now you choose someone as a targeter ye choose the onu no wani mo sene ye enye de ye wani mo sene no da bi it is okay Africa countries atwa enwo hia Ghana ya chechire no ye nchechire say ne Africa country bi ba yepe da bi ya chechire say ho beto ye America na ye standard Ghana ni bi no wakase ko hwe Nigeria da bi obi az ko hwe America mo nko America nko meaning say America na ye standard ye be say Ghana economy no something similar to the economy of America. And the Bank of Ghana government ka chire say or ton because our neighboring countries, you know, how like say because me even grano. As I speak to you today, you can see first quarter of 2025. Now Algeria, I don't say African country, no, Algeria, omuo 173.6 tons of gold in their gold reserve. Now Libya, 147 tons. Egypt, now omuo 128 tons. Now South Africa, 125 tons of gold. Ada na yɛn compare yɛ deɛ to omu. Na yɛn compare deɛ ma omu Zimbabwe mo 3 tons, ni Mozambique mo 4 tons, ni Tunisia mo 7 tons. Omu na yɛde omu na susu dia. Sɛsɛ. Say ka say there Africa can Africa countries almost no more gold reserve. Almost 180 tons, equal 200 tons of gold in their reserve. That na yɛn compare omu na omu a Nigeria mo economy na crash no. Omu na dey compare omu sɛsɛ. And you know, over we are here, American leader, we are seeing now gold reserves. America, 8,133 tons of gold, and no more reserve. Germany, 3,352 tons. Italy, 2,452. Just say, Obia boy gold and go on no more. Ye nyanya de ko no magic, no mono air store. Johnson, say what you said there, when the man tons say, more to a new tons of Kanaka, all because. Omo Africa countries atwa enwo here obia no a hold gold higher than Ghana it no e was say ye katia de no ye tete niam so na eno accumulation of Ghana for no abe blast no.
Hey, I was just about to sleep when I saw a news post and I said, what? So NDC people have insulted Ken Ofori-Atta, insulted the MPP of being thieves, armed robbers, not knowing it is the thieves who left their gold and they sold that gold and they are telling Ghanaians that and we have managed the economy and they are not knowing they couldn't do anything. It is the gold MPP left. Do you know that in 2016, when the NDC were leaving, they left gold of 8 tons, 8, just single 8. And the MPP and Ken Ofori-Atta, whom they have been insulting, this man. I said, if the god of Ken Ofori-Atta comes to this country, the number of people that will fall down under the god of Ken Ofori-Atta, it will take them generations. Ken Ofori-Atta, who is a thief, came in and then was able to gather gold up to the tune of 30 tons. The thief. And the people who are not thieves, righteous people, they came in and sold this gold. We, those who employ them, I don't know whether they know that we are those who pay them at the end of the month. They hid it from Ghanaians. They never told us. Parliament of Ghana, I don't know whether Parliament of Ghana is aware of this. A government that is not operating under the umbrella of transparency. So you took our gold reserves and sold it. And have been going around saying that, and then Ato is forcing, Ato has managed the economy, Ato has this. Not knowing all these things are 419 gimmicks. It is our gold reserves. The NPP people, the gold reserves they left is what they have picked. So NDC, tell me, what have you done for the past 1 year? Chopping, margin.
Bank of Ghana for document or about a moon somewhere, and I say ye bobo. Number the kind abetrum. Say a Bank of Ghana, any Yankaseman Penny Jam, one on Ocha, or mining in out to me in Dimbacan. Young gold reserve I want or Mato Mufa, or the 3 months pay. Baby, I'm a year from Swakakra, Machia sign, and it's all Mocotoyano, or Mobidi, Metras on the wood economy, and as on the Bayer, or Mother Bayer, Ewa Baimu, a Hormachia sign say, Umubidi. Your crochet a year net international reserve. You holding $dollars. E kwa hwe ne hu se akosoro enu nti e kire se oma medi sika no na emum omo sesa gold ane e wo no e record dollars e no ko yen reserve dollars no ho ti ho matwe asan mo fa nche metiefo okay mo ma mento aso na kire kwa na Dr. Esiama be kire se ohwe Ghana yen reserve no se de sitie na on say you hold gold kakra na de aka ne de dollars nye de akọ wurawura nwumam e wa amanone na ye de apẹ emfaso ena Dr. Siama be kire mu se Ghana or share said na gold reserve in the na 37.1 metric tons and na the value cry about 3.4 billion dollars. Now what to 2 year total reserve me can the dollars and gold the nyina kakabo mu na kire say the crying gold no na about 40%. Now so Dr. Siama so otu na ni hwe amana hodo amama hodo a omtete say o man Ghana a ofre ye now for ye piercer or monom hodi about 20 to 25%. Ti ada ne yen ko aye kire say ye as ye minim dodo enu ntino 40% na doso ti na ma wakoton emu half ema yen gold no aka half to oton mu half no dollars no onya aye no e no roko kan ye reserve na ye dollars no no or the akoka ho e de akoye investment e wa amanani o se Ghana no de mention them to me echirim but or the akowuram aye investment no so dem fa so ebebre o my Ghana but ade ba ko ampese me twe eye Dr. Esiama adwene ekoso ene se sa investment na waye na dem fa so bebre ye no eno so ye risky asset nti eno so betumi backfire with President Trump ewa aban mo tumi ye bibia na stock market no a fall within short period of time no obetumi ama ye lose big time we me opinion. Number 2, so free say gold no a riskier asset. I'm what tier free a 37.1 metric tons. What to have amanaka 18.6 metric tons. And it only in apricot. Toning in apricot because 40% in too big. Say wakoto no mu half. Amanaka half pay. Sa half an hour to kwa nyu adwuma. Oh the another be kan ho no. What did you wakoton what akoton the NPP for krade e kan ho ni bi. NPP for the what so be 2 point something kra aton. Nti no I don't know why oton. Number 3 amekan aka ho. And say the usuro say gold. The price betumi akofom at any point in time now my Ghana elusu no me insuro sa de na if we say NPP for aban mo ye December no na gold price say 2,600 per ounce. They say I'm not okay say as a December 2020 5 my sa outlook we ekopem hon 4,300. Say I'm not okay say January and I'm 5,000. Into no one continuous year no the price increase a lot of people are demanding gold. About the value of gold increase. To gold the honor more. Yes, also so asset no appreciating value. The other no wakoton. Me GD say dividend now coaches no and yet any value and I say and son chain a year gold appreciation the value of gold. No, yeah, in the price of gold no cost no. I don't think so dividend and that's one chain. We say, but hey, I don't know more risk preference. And into America, akoton yen reserve half in gold. Ada kwaje dollars. Ada kwaje investment wo. Baby for fraud they pay a year emphaso. Ada bere oh my Ghana no. I don't know. Any the American side na 1 ton in apreko. Why are you still holding 18.6 ton in never quite different investment because you don't need to hold gold a reserve because says can have before for a different investment and in as much as I free say dividend be free a year FX nimuno abano. So I think say the price is going up such that you are still gaining on the gold. So why do you sell some?
A quick one. Now, as a Ghanaian, watch up here. Yes, according to the Bank of Ghana, they inherited 30 metric of tons of gold in 2024 from the MPP government. But as we are speaking, just 1 year, within a year, Ghanaians were expecting that this gold, in fact, the reserves will increase. But check, according to Bank of Ghana, they say it has reduced. They have reduced it. Or it's missing. We don't know where the remaining metric tons of gold, we don't know where it has passed. Hey, NDC. You see, dear delegates, Just move Saturday. Vote for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. MPP is coming back to power in 2028. I'm telling you, these people don't know where to start and where to end. How? So where is the gold? You sold gold, you told us that you have run into losses. Now gold that they have saved, they have reserved for the country, almost 40 metric tons of gold is missing. They don't know where it is. Later on, maybe they'll come and explain to us. Or whether they believe that there's no money in the system, so they decided to pick some and sell, so that they'll come and share it to Ghanaians too. That one, we are waiting for the explanation. But right now, as a Ghanaian, you should be asking, where is our missing gold? Per this report, Ghana's gold is missing. It was 30 tons. Almost 14 tons is nowhere to be found. It is now 18 tons. These people have stayed in opposition for 8 good years. They are hungry. And when you study their moves, all that they are doing is to enrich themselves.
Say, Abribiano, ye bane we catch them say, NDC eya akronfo na omo Ghana abra ye ka monte ase. Hwe say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP aban hu say, oman bia no etwa say unya fotuo bi eto wachi na enum ama omu ayedu. Enu nti omo hu say Ghana ye former goodie ye wo mineral resources ne ade ba gold na eboa oman no emududo san na ye wo ho nye wo 8 tons sa 8 tons no kura no according to your friends research no enye Ghana goodie ye 2 ye o enko ye foreign ase yakoto agudie ne de begu wo no se yakoto agudie begu ye chi enye ye de na ye 2 wo man mu no anom se no problem still na ye Ghana dia nti de ne ye be ye anu omo MPP aban edi 22 tons e kan ho ma ne be ye sen 30 tons 30 tons o de enfo bibia nto nchen sa 30 tons no I learn say aban ba ye ono so de 6 or 7 aba be kan ho ma na ye 36 or 37 tons. Can you imagine? Say o de yenti omo de ni film kwa so omo mfa bi nka ho yenti film na nka MPP for de na omo de 22 be kan ho ma ne be ye 30 tons no. Abai we yetimi aton gold no. Omatimi aton gold na masisi ya gold no so ate abeka 18 tons, 18.5 tons. And that's wrong. Like okoka e beka chro na no beka chro say Venezuela president na Trump ekwache no no. Ewiase nyina eba fuel reserves, oil reserves omo na di nkan China mponto omo. Ghana just enkwase asem ye di nkan. Just say ye ne ya dwene wo fom. Yeah, ranking. This year, no, you didn't kind. How can you tell me this story? Say, what about Bemu 1 year? What do you for the 30 tons no cry 8 plus 22 no 30 tons no kwan? Say, I don't want to know now the old buy a for a binka humpa. What is what about 18 tons? What is 12 tons a film? Like, are they? Sisiano, a loot and share, and I'm more yameboa. Loot and share. The money man say, well, a year and this name, it's my dinka catcher say. Obi be ba nchen to aboma NDC anye se opo mani ya na opo wasem o wono enani gise NDC wa bem finish afesu so so mani be se na NDC a opesen se o mani be yi na NPP what e komo na se enti so obi ba nchen se na NDC na like mo de nyema bi ahye mu otan ani bre abro chesa wodwene ho a wonte ase sisi agod no omo de yeden like omo de yeden I don't know what the year intia. Oh, since you almost 37 or 36 in Ukraine, I can't not see a chimney or much a good move half at on Freddy and Akafa. Or what on Freddy and Akafa. I don't know what the year. We are 18 tons of gold, ya Tomedia, Unimadacro, Unimsicacra, I can was there. Whether Montraho Namonio minor brosa, why? Montraho, Namonio minor brosa, Nebrebi ba, Munina, Yamibusam.
Chile wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Ayo Penyah Media.